Hi Year 1, this is your science topic lesson for this week. So you should have your topic book at home with you, ready with the worksheets stuck in that go with this lesson. So this week and next week we're going to be looking at our senses, the things that help us make sense of the world. So does anyone know what their 5 senses are? Have a little chat with your adult. What do you think these might be? There's some picture clues here. So we've got our sense of smell. And we can sense what different things smell like, if things smell good or bad, what our favourite smells are. Use our nose to smell. Sight, we use our eyes to see, and we see less well in the dark, so we can't use our sense of sight so much there. Sense of taste, whether we can taste different flavours, and we're going to be looking at this lesson a bit more. Our sense of touch, so you can touch if things are soft or spiky or cold or hot, and our sense of hearing, our sense of sound, being able to hear different sounds, voices and music. Okay, so today we're looking at taste. What do we taste with? There's a little video link introduction which will be added to the blog as well, so you can watch that as your introduction if you want to, or you can come back and watch it later, but we're not going to watch it right now. The link will be in the blog. So what do we taste with? Which part of our body do we taste with? We taste with our tongue, that's right. And on your tongue, if you look at your tongue in the mirror, you will see it's got lots of tiny bumps all over it, and those are called taste buds. Okay, and your taste buds tell you what something tastes like. Those taste buds are connected to your brain, and they say, oh, that tastes sour, or that tastes sweet, or that tastes yucky, or that tastes good. So your taste buds are connected to your brain, and they tell you what foods you like and don't like. So I'm going to be looking into that a bit more. We're going to do a little investigation in how we taste today. So how do we taste? Our food is dissolved by the saliva in your mouth. So in your mouth you've got water, you've got spit that your body makes, and your food is dissolved by that, and the receptor cells in the taste buds send a message to the brain. So there's some little cells in your taste buds that send messages to your brain to say, oh, that tastes cold, or that tastes hot, or that tastes sour, or that tastes sweet, and tell your brain what you're tasting. Okay, so your tongue can taste 4 main tastes. This is what scientists believe, that our taste buds in different parts of our tongue can taste different flavours more strongly. So the blue part is for bitter taste. So things like coffee, Brussels sprouts, things that taste bitter, you can taste more strongly at the back of your tongue. Sour things, so like lemons and vinegar, anything sour, you might taste more strongly on the sides of your tongue. They're on the green area. And sweet things, like sweets and sugar, you might taste more at the front of your tongue, and salty things you might taste right on this front edge more. You might, since this tongue map was made, scientists have come up with another part for the middle, which is they're called umami, and that's for things like mushrooms and meat and those kind of different flavours and tastes. But we're not going to be looking at that one today, so you can do your own research a little bit more into that if you want to, but we're just for today looking at bitter, sour, sweet and salty, and those different flavours and where we can taste them on our tongue and which taste buds can taste them. Okay, so we're going to do a little investigation. So for your investigation, you're going to need some salt water. So you're going to need to pour some salt into some warm water in a cup. Stir it up so it dissolves. Some sugar water, so do the same with some sugar water. Some coffee, so if you get some decaffeinated coffee and let it go cold, you'll be able to taste that. And some lemon juice, and you're going to need 4 cotton buds as well to do the tasting with. Okay, so you might have those things in your house right now, or you might need to wait till your mum and dad go for their next shop. But please make these with an adult so that you can do it safely. And on the next slide, and attached to this lesson, there's a video of me doing the investigation, so you need to follow along and do it with me. But those are the things you need to have ready first. your salt water, your sugar water, your cold coffee, and your lemon juice, and your cotton buds. They're the things that you're going to need for this investigation. So you need to pause this video now and watch my video demo, which is in the link, of me doing the investigation with you and telling you how to record it on your answer sheets. That's really important. You need to pause this now, and then you need to find the video link of me showing you how to do the investigation, and you can do it now, or you can get all your things ready and come and do it along with me later, and then we're going to go through the results. So pause your video, do your investigation, and then we're going to look at our results. So my results looked like this. I had some areas so I could taste sweet in these areas of my tongue. Sour, I had more on the sides. Bitter, I had more in the middle and towards the back. And salty, if I look at what I drew on my salty, was kind of all over. It's quite a strong flavour, isn't it? So they're the areas that I tasted. When I put the cotton bud in the middle for sour, I didn't really taste, I could taste that it was sour, but it didn't really taste strong. The flavour of the sourness, the taste of the sourness was more strong around the edges of my tongue. So that's why I've marked them on there. So you have a look at yours. Do yours look the same as mine? Do they look different? Everybody's, I think, will be different because everybody's taste buds are different, and we all like different things, and we all can taste things differently. All our bodies are different. So mine isn't the right answer. Yours might be different. Okay, so have a look, see if yours is similar or different to mine, and see what you think. And then we're going to do some writing here. So it's saying, what did we find out? It says, could you taste different tastes all over your tongue the same? Or was the taste of salty or sweet stronger in the front or the back or the side of your tongue? So, and then it's got a space for you to do some writing. I found out that. So if I'm looking at my results, I would say I could taste salty, sour food, sour flavours at the end, around the edges of my tongue. So I might write that on my... I found that I could taste sour lemon more strongly on the edges of my tongue. Okay, so you might put, my results were very different to Mrs. Willis because, okay, so I could taste salty taste towards the front of my tongue. So salty, the salty water tasted strong. That's where I could taste it most, at the front of my tongue, but not at the back. Okay, so just one or two things that you found out, you're going to write in your book there. Okay, have a look back at your results, think about them. So I tasted sweet things, I tasted in the middle. Bitter things, I tasted towards the back of my tongue. Salty things towards the front, sour things towards the edges. So have a look carefully, look at your results, and then write 1 or 2 things that you found out. What did you find out? And then your last task is a sorting taste. So you're going to write or draw some other things that have the same taste. So some things that taste sweet. So have a look, have a think. You might think of some things that taste sweet. So I've got a donut here that tastes sweet. I might draw a donut in that one. What else can you think of that tastes sweet? Chocolate, so I might write that in. Or you could draw it. I've got some sugar there already. Chocolate, sweets. Could draw some sweets. Yeah, you might want to draw some Smarties or some jelly beans. Draw some sweets. Draw some other things, and you can write underneath and label it as well. Okay, have a really good think. So some things that taste salty. I thought crisps was a good one that tastes salty, especially like ready salty crisps. Or maybe French fries. They always taste very salty. Or chips. Can you think of anything else that tastes salty? Yeah. Sour things. I've got some vinegar here. Vinegar always tastes nice and sour, doesn't it? Any other drinks that you can think of that might taste sour? Or foods, fruits. Okay, and bitter, we've got some coffee here. I've also got a picture of some Brussels sprouts. I always think they taste really bitter. I don't like them. And have a think about which flavours you like as well out of those. And taste. Can you think of some other things that might go in these boxes? Okay, so that's one of your tasks. And then, so we make different foods. We combine and mix taste together to get different flavours. What are your favourite things to taste? Okay, think about what your favourite foods are. And then there's another little clip on Operation Ouch. If you go to BBC iPlayer and look for episode 3, the taste one, they've got the 2 doctors trying some different flavours and tastes, and it's quite a funny one to watch. So you've got 2 videos to watch, and you've got my demonstration doing the investigation. So I want you to have a go, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your results and what you found, seeing how different they all are, how we taste different things, and finding out a bit more about how our taste buds work and how we taste and use the sense of taste. If you want to send any videos in of you doing your experiment, or if you want to send any photographs, we'd love to see them at year1@hucklow.sheffield.sch.uk. So please send them in. Get parents to send them in. We can add them to the blog and we can share them with the rest of the children. And we'd really love to see it. It really makes the rest of us Year 1 staff feel really happy seeing that you're enjoying doing your learning at home. So thank you for those children who've sent things in already, and please send some more in. Okay, good luck with your science lesson. Next week we're going to be looking at a different one of our senses, so enjoy.